India has one of the fastest growing youth populations in the world, representing 40% of the country's population. With an estimated 1 crore in the age group of 15 to 35 years, ready to enter the job market every year for the next 15 years, India is on the cusp of a demographic dividend. This heralds untold potential for growth. As Andhra Pradesh is moving ahead, polishing the contours of industrialization, the labor market demand has shifted towards skilled and highly skilled categories. But acute shortage of skilled human resources is hampering overall growth. The majority youth population is either school dropouts or just matriculates, whiling away their time doing precious nothing. Indira Kranti Patham in Andhra Pradesh has a membership of 1 crore women. In order to provide employable skills to the children of SHG members, the Employment Generation and Marketing Mission (EGMM) came into being 5 years ago as an adjunct to the SHG movement. The initiative that started in a small way gained momentum, and its scope widened with each passing year. As per the CII report, the shortfall in skilled human resource availability in manufacturing and service sector in Andhra Pradesh is alarming. Human resources requirement till 2015 will be 56.70 lakhs. As such, the biggest challenge today is educating and skilling a large youthful population. Keeping this in view, Government of Andhra Pradesh launched a mammoth project, Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu, across the state on 20th August 2011. The Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu program has a refreshingly new approach to the entire gamut of development and youth upliftment. It revolves around beneficiaries at the grassroots levels who are non-literate, school dropout, unskilled and unemployed youth by training them in a range of skills required by the manufacturing, business and service enterprises. The Rajiv Education and Employment Council of Andhra Pradesh, RECAP, has been set up under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister with 9 cabinet ministers, principal secretaries of relevant departments and 10 representatives of the industry and academia for creating necessary policy environment and guiding the implementation process. In fact, the industry participation to make skill building relevant to industrial development is unique to India. An exclusive state-level society, Rajiv Education and Employment Mission in Andhra Pradesh, REMAP, is empowered and funded to run the program. REMAP coordinates the efforts of 7 sub-missions on a mission mode. All the sub-missions function under the operational control of REMAP. This begins with identifying potential job-oriented sectors and business enterprises at the state and district level by conducting meetings and workshops with the industry and service sector representatives to explore job opportunities. Mobilizing and registering unemployed youth with a special focus on the lowest strata is done both online as well as through word of mouth and through local canvassing. Then, industry-wise specific jobs and unemployed youth are matched for giving highly appropriate training to the candidates. Training centers are set up and the students selected are imparted training at government-managed training centers run by professional training partners, and industry-based training centers that provide in-house training to the candidates. Training centers are also set up and run in collaboration with Government of India partners. After completion of training period, the placements in relevant jobs take place.
డిఆర్డిఏలో 45 డేస్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇక్కడ నాకు హెరిటేజ్లో జాబ్ ఇప్పించారు మేడం. ఇక్కడ జాబ్ బాగుంది. నా సాలరీ 6000. ఈ జాబ్ నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది.
నా పేరు సునీత. నేను ఒక ముంగండ అనే తూర్పుగోదావరి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లోని విలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. రాజమండ్రిలో డిఆర్డిఏ యాడ్ చూసాను. యాడ్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళాను అక్కడికి. ఒక 3 మంత్స్ కోచింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. వాళ్ళే నాకు మొత్తం ఫుడ్ అంతా ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళ ద్వారా నేను ఇండియా ఇన్ఫోలైన్కి ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వచ్చాను. ఒక టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేశారు మాకు. ఆ టెస్ట్లో కూడా నేను సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను. దాని ద్వారా నన్ను జాబ్లోకి తీసుకున్నారు. మేము నెమ్మదిగా దాంట్లో గ్రోత్ చూడగలిగాము. దానివల్ల మాకు శాలరీస్ బాగా వచ్చాయి, ఇన్సెంటివ్స్ బాగా వచ్చాయి.
Skill building linked to a pre-identified job is the heart of the program. Hence, all trainings taken up under Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu leads to placement. Job melas are organized regularly, where the employers meet the candidates for job selection. Post-placement follow-up is meticulously followed to monitor the candidate's proficiency in a skill, as well as provide support services to newly placed candidates. Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu facilitation centers opened in every district are assisting and counseling youth on all aspects of the program. The Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu portal is designed specifically to offer a host of e-enabled services to all the stakeholders, be it students, employers, training centers, government bodies, etc. Jobs provided to the youth are placed in public domain with all details. All the processes are automated. That helps tracking the status at every stage. Andhra Pradesh has ambitiously focused plans to bridge the skill gap. Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu, transforming lives.